Miss Lavanya, please tell me something about yourself.
Okay, so my name is Lavanya Singh. I was born in Mumbai and I brought up in Prayagraj. And I have done my schooling from SP Convent Inter College. Right now, I am pursuing graduation. About my family background, my father name is Mr. Arvind Singh. He is a hardware engineer, and my mother name is Mrs. Mamta Singh. She is a homemaker, and I have a brother. And about my working experience concerned, I am fresher, and my hobbies, I like drawing and playing badminton.
Okay, you told about your hobbies and so many other things. And apart from drawing and playing badminton, what do you like?
I like hockey and kho and kabaddi.
Okay, that's good. What do you want to be?
I want to be an air hostess.
You want to be an air hostess. What is most important to be an air hostess?
Most important English and your look. It's most important.
Okay. So, do you think that you can crack exam of air hostess?
Yeah, I think that I cracked exam. I will crack exam air hostess.
Okay. What will you do for that?
I will. I first of all, I learn English very well. Then I I fill form.
Okay, that's good. And to be an air hostess, look is very much important.
Yes, sir.
Okay, people are there, those girls who go for air hostess, they are very much fashionable, and you are very different from them.
Okay,
So,
I will join coaching air hostess academy. So I will try change my look.
okay, where will you join coaching?
Where I will join uh, where Lucknow in Lucknow.
Okay. Yes, have you made plan for going to Lucknow?
Yes, sir.
When will you go to Lucknow?
I will go to Lucknow next month, maybe.
Okay, that's good. And here you have completed 2 months. You missed so many classes. What was the reason? Why did you miss class?
Because I came my village and I was there, so I missed classes.
Okay, still you have 1 month. What do you want to say? In 1 month you can learn something.
Yes, yes, when I came in this coaching, so I don't know how to say speak English, and right now I'm speak very well.
Okay. And how many members are there in your family?
My family, they are 4 members.
Tell me about all of them.
Okay, my father, he's a hardware engineer, and my mother, she's a homemaker, and I have a brother, he's a student.
What class does he study in?
He is studying ninth standard.
Okay. Where does he study?
He study Rajapur, Rani Rati Devi.
Okay. That's good. And what would you like to say about this coaching? How did it help you to be a speaker?
Yeah, it's good. This coaching is good, and I speak when I came this coaching, so I speak English.
Okay. And tell me something about pollution. What do you know about pollution?
Okay, pollution is a big problem in all country. Okay, pollution has three types: air pollution, sound pollution, and water pollution. If we talk about sound pollution has come, heavy traffic and loud and loud songs. Many people, many students disturb and they can't study. And many people had heart problems, so they are problems. If we talk about air pollution, air pollution air pollution has come in dirty airs. Many there are many chimneys and many factories polluted. And then also pollution, air is polluted. So many people uh, ill, ill, uh, if we talk about water pollution has dirty water. You many people throw garbage and dead bodies in river, and some people take water, so people was ill.
Okay. What would you like to say about water pollution? How can we control water pollution? Right now, water is our life. Everybody knows about it, but even when people are polluting. So, what do you want to say that how can we control it?
You shouldn't throw garbage in pollution
In river.
in river.
Okay. And other things which you want to say?
Okay, and and you should tell some people, they, and you should tell some people as said some people, and they can't throw they can't throw garbage in river.
Okay. And what about the air pollution? Right now, it is very much polluted. Pollution level is very high.
Okay, you should plant trees.
What is your plantation? How can we control pollution by planting trees?
Because if you plant trees, so when trees grow, so pollution is
Decrease.
decrease.
Okay, you mean to say pollution will decrease. And what is the reason why people are cutting trees very much nowadays?
because they cut tree, and they
Yeah.
make buildings and so.
Okay. And by air pollution, what kind of disease causes?
Sorry sir,
What kind of disease
this is
people have by air pollution?
I don't understand.
I mean to say that what kind of problem people face due to air pollution?
Okay, air pollution.
Yeah, don't speak in Hindi. You can tell
Okay,
in
okay.
English.
Uh, air. Sorry, sir. You speak
I
again.
said that what kind of problem people face due to air pollution.
Okay, air pollution. Okay. Because air is dirty, so when you take. Okay, I
Breathe.
breathe. So you was ill.
And what about the water pollution? Which kind of disease, illness people have just
Yes,
because of water pollution?
yes,
Typhoid, jaundice. Have you heard about it? Water pollution causes these type of disease.
yes, yes.
And what is role of festivals
Okay.
for water pollution?
Yes, festival also
Responsible.
responsible. In Holi and Diwali. In Holi, many people color throw in river, colors throw in river, and in Diwali people throw pataka,
Crackers.
crackers throw in river. So
That is harmful for everyone. Means it's for water.
yes.
Okay. And some more questions I wanna ask you. When did you complete your intermediate?
Uh, I complete intermediate 2025 in 2025.
Okay. And right now, what are you doing apart from spoken English? Are you doing graduation or not?
Yeah, I will graduation
Sorry,
in.
are you doing graduation?
I'm doing graduation in my village.
Okay. Do you go to college daily?
I didn't go to college daily. I didn't go.
Don't.
I don't go to college daily.
Okay. Why don't you go to college daily?
Because my college was very
Far.
far. I will go exam time.
Okay. It means that you will go for cheating.
No, sir.
Yeah.
I study in my home, then I will go and
How do you study at your home?
How do uh, in myself?
Okay. How many hours do you study in a day?
Uh, this time I study only this coaching and 1 hour
1 hour.
in my
1 hour
home.
is sufficient
No,
for the preparation of the
no,
then
because they okay. This time books. My father busy, so he can't buy book. Then he buy bought books, so I study time.
okay. And what do you want to do for your family?
Uh, what do you want to? Okay, mm,
And what do you want to do for your family? If you be an air hostess, do you have dream to do something for your family?
yes,
What will you
I
do?
will buy home in Lucknow, and I will buy cars, and I will try my father and mother's dream
Complete.
complete.
Okay. What do you do in your free times?
I do. I help my mother.
Okay. How do you help your mother?
Um, help in cooking.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
I know.
What kind of food can you make?
Um, many types food I can make.
Okay. Which is your favorite food?
My favorite food veg biryani.
Veg biryani. Do you take non-veg?
I don't take.
Do you take non-veg?
I don't take non.
Okay, that's good. And after 1 month, this batch will be finished. Okay.
Yes.
So after that, how will you prepare?
Okay. I will go. I will go Lucknow. So I will join next coaching.
You will join next coaching for air hostess.
Yes. For English coaching, I will join next year air hostess coaching.
Okay, but already you are here and you will go to Lucknow to join.
Yes, but my father said you should go Lucknow and you join.
Okay, it means that after this you will go to Lucknow and you will join there and the coaching as well as you will join for air hostess next year. Okay, that's good. Uh, nice. You did well. You spoke well, but you did so many mistakes.
Yes,
You
sir.
attended classes of only 2 months. In 2 months, you missed many classes, and you didn't work hard. I hope that in future you will work hard. Still, you have 1 month time and do better. Best of luck from my side, and still you can do very well.
Thank you.
Okay, if you do well, if you work hard, you can be a good speaker.
Yes, sir.
You only need to do practice. Whatever I taught, you have already your notes. Just revise all these things and keep on practicing. Does your father know how to speak English?
Yes, sir. My father know how to speak.
You should talk to him by
Yes, sir.
talking.
I talk to him only English.
Okay, what does your father say about you speaking right now? When you
My
came here,
father,
you didn't do anything
my
consistent.
father said you do you do well. You speak very well in English. So your coaching is good.
Okay, that's good. Okay, nice to talk to you. You may go now.